Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. Own the rival's DLC or Season Pass and have credits or tokens available. Once done, log into the correct server and open the in-game shop or event panel straight away. Make sure your account is synced and progression rewards are claimed. This prevents lost purchases. Then navigate to the seasonal event that lists net wrap specifically. Do not browse unrelated menus. This step gets you into the exact place where acquisition is possible, and it sets the stage for the next actions. Once in the event, you execute the acquisition by identifying the precise objective that grants net wrap, often a challenge or timed crate. Complete the required matches, win streaks, or score thresholds. Focus on the shortest, repeatable task that yields progression. Make sure to use any event tokens or bonus multipliers to speed unlocks, and combine daily missions to stack rewards. If there is a purchase option, compare cost versus time. This middle phase is about efficient repetition and maximizing every play for progress. Finish by redeeming the net wrap reward directly from your inventory or the event reward screen. Do not delay. Once redeemed, equip it and verify visual confirmation in matches. If it does not appear, make sure you checked purchase history and claim queues, and confirm your account region matches the event. If auto-delivery fails, gather your order ID, timestamps, and screenshots, then contact support. Explain the exact objective completed. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues fast, so use it when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.